So I took apart the inside of the Jeep Compass, and the actuator is located back up in there. It's kind of hard to see. When I took it out, the problem for the ticking noise is that this little gear here is missing 2 or 3 little teeth. So when I saw a previous YouTube video, it looked like you could just take this little gear off and move it. So I'm going to kind of put it back together and play with it a little and see where I can do that, and see how I can make it so that I don't have to replace the whole thing. But even if I had to, I think it's only like 50 or 60 bucks, maybe less, to replace this little motor, this little actuator. So anyway, we're going to give that a try and see what happens. Alrighty, I played with it for a while, and turns out I needed to buy a new part. So here's the old part, and here is the new part. They look a little bit different, so I'm hoping that they are the same. I think they probably are. People at AutoZone assured me. So earlier I said that it would cost about $40 to $50 to replace this part, because that's what the people at the store told me, the car mechanic store shop. And this new part was only $27. So if you can do this yourself, I think you would save a lot of money and it would be totally worth it. It's really not that complicated as far as I've noticed so far. So let's give it a shot, and I'll show you the inside in just a second. Okay, so I took the lids off. You can see this is the old one, and it's missing all those teeth right there. And here is the new one, which looks beautiful and awesome. So this should be just fine to work. I took the little arm off on the back, and I'll just put that on the new one, and let's see if this works. Also note that this is actually really easy to take off. It's just held on with these little tabs. I'm a girl, and I don't want to mess up my fingernails. So I just used a little flathead screwdriver to pop it off. The old one had bigger tabs on it, so it was a little bit easier to get off with just my fingernails. But you know, we ladies like our manicures, so I didn't want to mess that up. Okay, so let's look up inside of here now. You can see right here is where it's attached. Alright, so I have the car on now to see if this worked. So I'm going to go ahead and keep my phone right here, and I'm going to switch it over. It's on cold right now. I'm going to switch it over to hot. So here we go, switching it to hot. There it goes, beautiful. Okay, switching it back to cold. There it goes. Don't you love it when things work? Okay, I'm gonna try and fiddle with it now to see if I can get it to go back into its spot. It's held on just by 2 little screws. Let me see if I can get a better angle here. It's kind of back in here. So this is the arm. Lighting's really terrible. Yep, can't do it. Okay. Okay, let's take a look up in here. So I put a light back here, and that is the actuator right there. It just screws into place by those 2 screws. What helped me put it on faster was to go ahead and connect this arm to here first, and then screw it into place. So what I'm hoping is, I didn't put this arm on the wrong way, because if I did, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to redo it, but now I know how to do it, so it'll be easier. Okay, there you have it. Alright, let's take a video of this thing working. So it's on full cold right now. Turned it to hot. Ta-da! Back to full cold. Ta-da-da-da!